Hi again, children. We have been talking about different animals, animals at the zoo, right? Animals that live out in the wild, in the forest, right? Now, today we're going to talk about some animal sounds. Some animal what? Sounds. Okay? Now, I'm going to sing this song for you and I want you to listen. Okay? Now it says, sweetly sings the donkey at the break of day. If you do not feed him, this is what he'll say. Hee-haw, 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 hee-haw. One more time. Sweetly sings the donkey at the break of day. If you do not feed him, this is what he'll say. Hee-haw, 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 hee-haw. Alright, boys and girls, what was that? Which animal was that poem about? Huh? Yes, the donkey. The donkey said, hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw. Alright, that is the sound of the donkey. Now I'm going to play some other animal sounds for you, right? And you're going to listen to them, right? And try to figure out which animal makes that sound. So guess what? You have to use your what? Your ears. Your ears. Alright? Listen to this first one, boys and girls. Well, let me turn it on properly. Can you hear that? Which animal does that sound like? Huh? Let me play it one more time. Do you hear that? Right, what animal was that? Yes, that was an elephant. Right, because guess what? Not every animal makes the same sound. Right? Just like how when people talk to you, their voices sound different. The same with the animal. When they make their sounds sound different. Right? So that was an elephant. Okay? Listen to this one. I hope you can hear that, boys and girls. That one sounds scary, boys and girls. No, you know what that was? That was a lion. That was a what? Lion. And lions roar. Okay, so that was a lion. Alright? Listen to this other one, boys and girls. Sounds like Peppa Pig. Let me play that one again. Right, that is the sound of a pig. Alright? Yes, now listen to this one. Now I have two more here for you. What does that sound like? Right, all of us should know that one. That is the sound of a rooster. The sound of a rooster. Early in the morning, if you have a rooster in your yard or on a farm, you will make that sound early in the morning, right, to wake us up. Alright, so that is a rooster. Right. Now I have one last one here, boys and girls. Do you know what animal that is? Alright, that was a horse. That was a what? Horse. So boys and girls, different animals make different sounds. Let us play the horse one more time. Can you hear the horse? Right. So boys and girls, let us sing one last song before we finish our lesson, okay? We're going to sing Old MacDonald, alright? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So I heard the sound of elephant, the sound of the lion, the sound of the pig, the sound of the rooster, and the sound of the horse. And then in this song a while ago, we made the sound of the duck. Let us sing it one more time. This time, we're going to make the sound of the sheep. Alright? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a baba there and a baba here. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a baba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So sheep say what? Ba. Sheep say what? Ba. Okay? Alright, boys and girls, those are the sounds of some different animals. Okay, remember? Animals make different sounds. Alright? So I'll see you soon.